Maggie, Maggie. Maggie, stop. Come. Get out. Come.
She's telling her dogs to go potty.
Go. Go potty.
Anyway, so I made it with liquid starch, blue shaving cream, and I actually added a little bit of dye, just for like a baby blue. She went out to go do the dogs. Okay. You might know her. She's on my channel. It's called Ian R. Love DIY. Oh, DIY Love. It's I Love DIY. So I'm gonna do like maybe like tomorrow. So she doesn't catch me. Okay, I tried my hardest, but it's just like sticky because.
Ragnar.
So yeah. I just hope we don't get caught and yeah. Surprise, Missy.
Elizabeth, what are you doing?
Filming a video?
A video? You're not supposed to be filming a video.
And I'm playing with some slime?
That you're not supposed to be doing.
Sorry.
Put the slime away and stop the video or I'm going to call your dad.
Okay guys, that's all in the video here. I love you guys. Subscribe, give a like, comment down below what did you guys think of this video. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss a video that we post.
You dig holes.
Alex.